Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, my name is Ramsel, and today I am going to open the package that my boyfriend Thomas has bought for me. So he ordered this from eBay, and this is what I've got today. He has already opened it, but because he was very curious what's the package inside, that it came from China, but I haven't opened it yet. He just only checked it. So the first thing what I've got to do is to open is this thing. I don't know what this one is, so let me see the rest of the package. So the first thing that came to our mind is the thing that we ordered few weeks ago from eBay, and ta-da! Oh yes, this one, I am into matcha now, so matcha tea. It's a Japanese fermented green tea, and I don't have this one, and we have to order this one in eBay because it's cheaper to buy in eBay than here in Norway. So whoa, cool. Love it. So this one, or maybe this is the Stanford. No, so I don't know. This is quite surprising. Last year, I got a package from my cousin from Japan, Ate Tabing. We called her Tabing. She sent me a lot of matcha green tea. Oh, now I know what's in this. Oh, the bowl. Yes, and I super love it. So this one, the bowl, I still don't know what's this one for. Oh my god, there's no instruction for it. But I am very excited to use these things for my matcha. So I'm going to have matcha ceremony. And of course, the matcha teaspoon, a spoon. This is very eco-friendly. It's a bamboo spoon made from bamboo. So guys, there's no description about it, so but these are all the things that I've got from the package today. So I will be making a film or a video later on how I do make my matcha tea or matcha latte, maybe in weekend, maybe this coming weekend. So thank you guys for watching and have a nice evening. Now it's already 9 o'clock or 9:30 in the evening here in Norway, so I am just hoping that you will sleep good tonight, and thank you for watching, and please do subscribe. Bye!